Hey, what's up, XRP holder? This is an emergency video for XRP holders, especially for XRP holders, and very informative. This is technical analysis, so keep watch this video. Before I get started this brand video, I request you, my brothers, to please subscribe ABS Tech channel. I hope you subscribe it. This channel give you a very information about all cryptocurrencies, so absolutely this is good channel for you if you are any crypto holder. So let's get started this brand video, guys. This is absolutely very emergency video. I am sick, but this time I decide to I make this video especially for my holder brother. Absolutely this is emergency video, guys. This is the last 1 day, last 24-hour chart. You can see here, absolutely this is last 24-hour chart. So just focus on this chart, guys, and the focus of this change is absolutely not these changes. This is absolutely important, not these. Remember these. And if you can see here, the price is gone up, and I hope they cross $1. So if they can cross $1, then they give you a very big profit. So absolutely this video is going very important, because we decide to this is selling or buying time, because you can see here absolutely the mind-blowing changes. And those days, if XRP goes up, then absolutely this is the very fastest cryptocurrencies, and all cryptocurrencies is going down. Please, also you know there's absolutely all cryptocurrencies that goes down, but this is like going like a rocket. Absolutely take a very high jumping, absolutely going like a rocket. So let's check it out the latest last 1 hour result to what's going on, and then we decide to this is selling time, to this is buying time, this is holding time. Absolutely this is very important. Okay, guys, so absolutely all cryptocurrencies in those days absolutely goes down. You can see here XRP starting dumping. Absolutely you can see here, absolutely they're starting dumping, but absolutely in upcoming days I hope they can cross easily $1. You can see here the price, and absolutely the dumping change into jumping. Absolutely the dumping change into jumping. Have the dumping change into jumping, then absolutely they make you a millionaire. They can give you a good profit at the mid of month. I hope the changes as an also and 30 plus. So absolutely 30% if they're starting change off. So absolutely this is mind-blowing fastest cryptocurrency, guys. Just wait for the end of this month. I hope they make you a millionaire. They can give you a good profit. So this time is absolutely just buying time. Don't sell it, don't sell it any coin, and just buy it. If you want to buy, then absolutely this is good time for buy XRP holder. Just buy it and hold it and wait for the end of this month and sell it, and this is they make you a millionaire. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy this video, then please like this video and subscribe ABS Tech channel for latest informative videos.